this is Deepesh. Today we're going to cover release management.
No, not that kind of release management, but as it relates to applications.
Okay, so you and your application development team have finished all your sprinting. Unit testing is complete, and you have also passed through system integrated testing with no outstanding Sev 1 defects and a plan for the Sev 2s. You feel you are ready for prime time. You want to take your code to production so the whole world can enjoy it. However, you need to get through the release management team and the change approval board first. In this video, I will share some tips and tricks to do just that. We will focus on the following topics today: quality assurance testing, getting through the change approval board, and go live. You want to be able to demonstrate to the release management team and CAB that you have quality built into your product. Here are some things to keep in mind when QA testing. Early environment reservations. As there are many projects going on in the enterprise at the same time as yours, you want to make sure that you get your time slice in the QA environments as you need. Have a shared calendar such as that on Confluence to manage stakeholder expectations. You can easily communicate key milestones such as your sit-exit, your gold code delivery, release regression cycles, pen testing, which is your penetration testing, including your vulnerability scans, performance testing periods, non-functional testing, including the fallback and fall forward of your code, all ultimately working towards your go live date. Release management and CAB will do all they can to uphold their mission. Release management will grill you to the 9 if your software messes with their flux capacitor. Here are some things to note to get your release through the CAB review. Be sure to submit your ServiceNow ticket early. This will make sure it doesn't land into expedite and makes the radar for CAB. Know your risks. At the CAB review, you would need to identify what kind of impacts your code has on such things such as the systems, the users, and financials. You may also want to specify the risks of not implementing your code. Demonstrate the sequence of events for your release. This includes your pre-implementation steps. For example, you want to make sure that your ServiceNow ticket is fully approved and in implementation state. Implementation, validation, and backout if required. Walk through your runbook to show the tasks and timing of these tasks to fulfill these phases. Post-implementation. Be sure to at least let CAB know that you will close the ticket and the associated tasks at the end of the night. Without a flux capacitor, there is no future. Assuming you haven't leveraged an automation tool for your go live, here are a key sequence of events to go through. Start with a health check, followed by isolating the traffic, then promoting the code. Once it's promoted, validate it with the QA team, and then, upon success, restore the traffic. If there was a problem, be sure to put it in an incident report. Otherwise, release management will not let you go again without that being addressed. Other things to keep in mind for go live include sending out the calendar invite early. This includes not only sending out the calendar invite for the deployment nights, but also for the go no-goes, which would include your key stakeholders. Be sure to send out an email to all your key stakeholders on how the night went, and close your ServiceNow tickets and tasks. In the upcoming days, you should also consider syncing up all your test environments for future readiness. In doing so, you will also create some more prod support environments for yourself. Thanks for watching. Let's continue to minimize our IT mulligans out there and keep our shirts.